Today's Saturday, July 30th. This is the 1974 Revcon mobile home vacuum assist brake booster from my friend John LeGrandeur in California, combined with the original vintage Midland master cylinder in the extended length variant. Okay, the unit has been completely disassembled, fully restored, and I'm going to be shipping this fully restored set comprising the vacuum-based assist booster and the Midland master cylinder, along with the dual nozzle vacuum portal and the ancillary parts that I removed, okay, which John can reinstall himself. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 through 1976 and over 375,000 1959 to 1976 GM products primarily overall. And I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels and telescopic steering columns, power seat mechanisms, and other critical hard-to-source Cadillac items, including the brake boosters, both the hydro boosters as well as the vacuum assist boosters. And here we are doing the Revcon vacuum assist brake boosters. This is now my fourth one done for the original vintage Revcon mobile homes, the predecessors to the General Motor motorhome with the front wheel drive using the Eldorado Toronado drivetrain. Okay, so today is Saturday, July 30th, and this will be going out to my friend John as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George, Florida. Thank you very kindly.